The book of Ephesians is filled with many examples of how we can walk in a way or live our lives in a way that pleases God. And one of the things that comes up a lot is unity. But what does unity mean? It means to be joined together, to be part of one body, one team, one family. But how can we do this? In Ephesians 4 verse 3 it says, "Make every effort to keep yourselves united in spirit, binding yourselves together with peace." Do you notice how it says keep and not make yourselves united? And that is because God has already created unity. He has already joined us together and made us one body. Now, this might seem very confusing, so let's use the number 1 to help us understand this a little bit better. You see, God created one body, one church, one family, one team. And so it isn't a church for the Jews and a church for the Gentiles, or a church for the rich and for the poor, or for the young and for the old. No, all the believers, all the children of God are part of one church. But there's only one way to be a part of this family, and that is to believe in the one and only Son, Jesus Christ. To believe that he came, he died, he was raised back to life. And when we believe and accept that, then we are baptized with the Holy Spirit. Now hang on, does that mean there's many different Holy Spirits? Well, no, there is one Holy Spirit. And when we believe, it is that one Spirit that unites us all together to be one church and one family. So let's go take a look at what that means practically.
I believe in the one and only Son, Jesus. I am filled with the one and only Holy Spirit. God has made me a part of His one church.
Together, out, together, out, together, out, together, out.
Can you see how God has joined us together? And so, what is our part to play? Remember, Ephesians 4 verse 3 says, "Make every effort to keep yourselves united in spirit, binding yourselves together with peace." And so that means we need to try and do whatever it takes to keep ourselves united, the way God has joined us. And things like boasting and bragging and shouting and fighting and gossiping and being mean and teasing each other and not sharing, those are all things that could pull us apart. And so we need to have peace, because peace is what is going to bind us together and keep us united.